Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for the Puroma Cabin Air Filter. This is pretty cool. I got this for my Subaru Outback, and I wanted to show you the process of installing it, but I thought we'd crack it open. Needed a new one, and figured give this a try. The cool thing is, this is a two-pack, so you're going to get some longevity out of this, more so than you would just getting a single, because once you buy one, you just put this in storage, and when it's time to put a new one in, you can drop in a new cabin air filter. So you get two in the box, and this is what it looks like. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to put this in, and I'll show you how that goes. Okay, so you're going to open your glove box. You want to clean everything out of your glove box, and then there's a little lever here. You're going to just kind of pop that out, and like that. And then I believe you just kind of push in on this here. Let's see, where's that at? Yep. So there's these little tabs here you push in on. Come on. Is that right? Yep. You just push in on the sides and that opens it up, and that'll actually drop the whole glove box out. Okay, so there's this piece here where you have a spot at the top that you pinch and a spot at the bottom, and that's on both left and right sides. So with two hands, you'll reach to the top, kind of pinch that off, and then reach to the bottom and pinch, and then this whole cover comes off. Once that cover comes off, you'll have access to the cabin air filter. And wow, look at that. Who knew? You get all kinds of stuff like that in your cabin air filter. So at this point, we're going to pay attention to airflow. For the old one, the airflow is facing down, and we're going to do the same thing with this airflow here. Just slide that into place, and then put all your clips back into place, and you're good to go. Once that's in place, take the base of your glove box and put those two clips in place. You'll hear it pop into place. Once that's popped into place, don't forget your little bracket arm here. It kind of is on a little bit of like feels like a hydraulic. And there you go. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks so much for watching.